Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am also going to the analyze gold trading analyze for your next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. Last week we made good profit from the gold trading and huge profit, and you can join with Telegram link VIP group and make profit from the gold trading. So link is below. You can join with and get the accurate gold analysis signals that is also continuing with the next week. So link is below. You can join with. So let's go to the next week. What will going on gold? So you can see the my trend line yellow color. Price has reacted several times. The times in this trend line, not price was not able to the going to the upside. So I am not expecting gold going to the upside. So this type of price action I am not expecting. So not price was not able to the break this trend line and continuing to the upside. So my zone is, this is the zone, this is the my most affected zone. We call this maximum pain level is the 2040 level. So you can see price has reacted several times, try to break this level. Price was not able to break this level. This is the time. So 1 2 3 4 and 6, 2040 is the maximum fan level. Below 2040 gold is the bearish. So I am expecting sales setups in the next weeks also. You have a sell opportunity goal on next week also. So 2040 was not able to break. Goal is the now bearish setup. So I am expecting technical picture is like this. So this is the triple top last week and drop to the below, and I am expecting again drop to the below side. My first target is the 2005. So 2005 is the first target, and then 1980 is the my second level target. This is the buy zone. You can see this is the strong support in 1980 area. Is my second target is 1980 area. That is the my expecting technically picture next week goal. So let's see what is the economic events, most important economic data going on you should touch with next week. So Federal Reserve American Central Bank's most important economic event will be released next week. That is the federal funds rates. So next week, 31st of January, Wednesday, that's the Fed funds rate is released. That's the 5.5 is the current rate, and Fed forecast to post the rate in 5.5. So Fed watch to left side, you can see 97% forecast to the rate pause. So that is already priced in market. So post the rate in 5.5, that will not help to dollar demand because of it is already it has priced into the market. So that is the important thing is Fed conference, that the Fed conference Powell will be hawkish tone with the Fed conference, that will be demand gold and gold, sorry, dollar and gold up to the below side. So Federal Fed conference, Fed media conference is the important event. So I am thinking that will be hawkish, dollar demand and gold dropped. And next week also is the economic event, non-farm employment change, that the Fed forecast to drop to 177k from 200. So that is the also next week Friday. You should touch with these type of most important economic events if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. So that's the economic events next week. Well, let's go to the technical analysis what is going on. So I am seeing the famous pattern. This is the technically Quasimodo pattern. It creates higher high and lower low will be created in next week. That is the lower low. Lower low will be created in next week. That is the Quasimodo pattern 2040 is the QM sell level. So Kosimoto sell level is the 2040. QM sell level is there, so I am expecting lower low will be created next week. So this is the pattern I am seeing, QM pattern, that is the I am expecting price create to the lower low next week. So this is the price will be dropped to the this level I am expecting. So 2005 is the I am my first target in the sell zone. This is the first target. You can see this target is the 2005. This is the 2005 is the support levels that you can see the buy zone in left side. So price dropped to this and some retracement and again drop, retracement and again drop. That is the next target is the 1980. 1980 is the next target. So I am expecting second level target 19 is the strong buy zone in 1980 area. 2005 is the first target and then to 1980 is the second target. So you can join with my telegram link. Accurate goal signals analysis is there. So I am expecting sell opportunities in next week goal. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation, and the money management is the key for trading. So 1980 is the strong buy zone, that is the next level. Strong support zone is 1980 level, that's the second target. So risk management is the key for trading. So risk management key. So thank you very